can't tell if I'm blurry or not, but I'll go ahead and showcase what I have. I have a Lacoste produce bag, like a tote. It's like navy blue with a silver crocodile as your logo on the front here. Really tough leather, sort of something you find in like a car seat, like maybe like a cargo plane. And then on the inside there's white leather in here that resembles like the elephant print. Okay, let's start taking this apart. It also came with like a small little purse, coin purse. It's like mini bag. You can put your coupons in here when you go shopping. Let me take all this wrapping off of it. Let's see the scissors. We have this. I really like the contrast that this like dark navy blue gives this like off-white color. Oh, there's even a white crocodile in the inside of the bag. Okay, nice. Neat. I don't know too much about this brand. They're affiliated with tennis. I think Tyler, the creator, did a collaboration with them. Oh, that's sweet. Like I said, I really like that contrast with this white and this navy blue. I think that's really pretty. But yeah, pretty simple. You got your shopping bag here. This can even like hang out on the outside of it, or you can put it in the inside. I guess that can be used as like a wallet too. But yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, here's that bag. It was a little dark before because I had like a black shirt on, but I put a white hoodie up and the dirty mirror. But yeah, I like the shape of it. We'll see how it does shopping.